I love the saying that you teach that which you need to learn. So in our businesses, if you find that you are lacking in an area, maybe you're lacking with time management, or you're lacking the ability to say no, or you're lacking the marketing, like how to be a better effective marketer, or lacking the ability to sell. So you're marketing pretty well, folks are coming into your sales process, but then they're not converting over into clients. And if you notice that there's some holes or leaks in the bucket, then I want to encourage you to teach that to someone else. It could just be a friend, it could be your husband, it could be someone in church, someone in your community, but just find someone to teach it to. And I'm not so interested in whether or not they want to learn it, but it's better if they do. So find someone to teach this topic to, because when you give, you get it back as well. You start to know it, understand it, and it sinks in differently when you're teaching it to someone else. So I use the example of when I was in college. In school, we would take lots of hard classes. That's what school is for, I guess. And I found that when I would teach my roommates, or we would have study sessions and I would get up and teach a concept, that when it came time to take the test, I knew it really well because I had learned it, let it land, and then had to figure out how to repackage it and tell it to someone else in a way that made sense. And so when it was time to be tested on that material, it just already was in my brain and in my body, and I didn't have to think or try and remember so much. It's like it was just programmed in. So if there's something that you are lacking or you feel that you could do better at, then find someone to teach that topic to. And if you aren't sure where to find someone, then hop in the Facebook group, and there's plenty of us in there in the Simplification for Business Owners Facebook group, and we'll be happy to be an accountability partner or a student of the topic that you need to learn.